traits that scientists measure is the strength of astronauts before they go into space. To measure the strength of your arm muscles, you're going to do as many push ups as you can for 30 seconds. But before doing anything, watch how to do a push up. You'll start by lying on your stomach and then you'll push up with your arms. If that's too hard, you can leave your knees on the floor rather than your toes. One of you will do push ups while the other partner counts. Okay, go to the next step to get started. Find a place where astronaut A has room to lie down. Astronaut A, get ready to do push ups. Astronaut B, get ready to count. Now remember, this isn't a competition. You're just collecting data like a scientist, so you don't need to share your numbers with others. I'll set a timer for 30 seconds. Are you ready? Get set. Go. Okay, stop. Remember the number of push ups you did and go to the next slide. Astronaut A, write how many push ups you did on your worksheet.